working on machine learning, so AI research and applications for about 15 years now, and focusing specifically on generative AI for the past 18 months. And I'm here today to share with you how we are bringing AI to market in a way that can help creators, and that's you, unleash their full potential. At Unity, we believe in the power of creators to embrace AI because we believe the world is a better place with more creators in it. And today, the Unity editor and the Unity engine enable millions of creators to bring their vision to life and billions of users to enjoy that vision, right? So from games to aerospace, from healthcare to automotive and beyond, Unity is the leading comprehensive platform that can support creators through the entire development lifecycle as they create, they run, and they grow interactive and immersive experiences. And so to AI can help industrial developers be more productive and more creative while remaining fully in control of their vision. It offers new creative possibilities, right? Changing how customers interact with your experiences by embedding AI models directly into the runtime, such that content can react and respond to your users in novel ways. Here are a few examples that my teams are specifically working on. The first one is asset generation, of course. At creation time, AI can be used to create content such as 2D and 3D assets, of course, sounds, simulation logic, simulation code, particle effects, and so on. Now, at runtime, AI can be used to power novel interactions with digital avatars to enable natural conversations with your product, your building, or your simulation. And another one is computer vision. Vision models have been making incredible progress for years, and by integrating them directly into the Unity runtime, we're allowing mixed reality applications to gather feedback from the world they're in. But beyond this, perhaps the most important thing to take away from this talk today is this. For industry and any real-time 3D experience, everything, every product, every system, every object, every material, every shader, every moment, every pixel, right, is going to be touched by AI as it is made. There's no creative tool, there's no creative workflow that is not going to be fundamentally changed by AI systems. If you're editing dialogue, if you're editing sound effects, or if you're laying down terrain, AI will be part of your workflow very deeply. And similarly, every product, system, object, material, shader, pixel, moment, right, is going to be touched by AI on the way out, at runtime, the point in time when the application is running on your device of choice. And each frame running through the engine will be touched. Sometimes it's at the entire screen level, right? We have devs and customers talking to us, for example, about using AI to run their day-night cycle instead of having to build unique lighting and assets. And sometimes it's at the object level, right? Like an AI-driven digital avatar that can respond in real time to your actions, for example. And so that is why we have launched earlier this summer 2 fundamental platforms that can stretch across both of these stages. Muse is our platform for AI at creation time, and Centis is our platform for AI at runtime. Our approach to AI is essentially building a layer that is accessible to our creators for anything that we do across the Unity ecosystem. I want to talk about Muse first. Unity Muse offers AI solutions to accelerate how 2D and 3D content is created for games, for apps, for digital twins, and more. It consists of tools that interact with the Unity editor and with the web, such that developers can create assets and animations faster without interrupting their workflows. We've released Muse Chat, which we'll talk about in a moment, and also there'll be 2 sessions later dedicated to the Muse ecosystem. But first, here's a quick video that collects some of the components we've been working on within the Muse platform. And I think you'll quickly understand how Muse in action is a game changer, no pun intended, in how digital content will be created. And of course, these tools go well beyond games. If you want to adjust lighting in your apartment viewer, if you want to create waves in your naval simulator, or if you just want to add interactivity to your static assets, you can do it with Muse. We're enabling our creators to do more, to do it faster, and to do it more efficiently. Now let's take a look at Unity Centers, which is a very exciting initiative. Centers is a cross-platform inference, that is execution engine, that helps deploy AI models in any Unity project. Here's an easy way to think about this. Centers allows our creators to deliver the most interactive, the most dynamic experiences without the need to worry about compatibility, cloud compute costs, and latency. It's a piece of our software, it's a library that ships with every Unity experience, currently on more than 4 billion devices worldwide, and allows for any AI model to be queried directly on the device, which has a direct impact on cost, latency, and of course privacy. With Centers, we're meeting AI developers where they are and where they work, so our users can keep designing neural networks, AI models, using frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, and then we import these assets, these neural networks, through the standard ONNX format, and then we optimize the architecture, we optimize the weights using a set of platform-specific transpilers to target a particular runtime depending on the device where the network needs to run. And so, we can get a bit technical, but what this means is that no matter which hardware target you have, and even if you're trying to deploy your application on every platform out there, you'll be able to run neural networks, AI models with Centers without having to worry about, optimizing low-level deep learning code or operators. And so that makes the integration of AI into real-time 3D applications super streamlined and much easier for developers. Think about this. These are a few examples. This means our creators can now train or import AI capabilities directly into their Unity projects, whether it's real-time style transfer, object detection, handwriting recognition, or a dialogue assistant. You name it, right? The possibilities are endless. And I want to show you an example I really love, which is something my team built in collaboration with our professional artistry folks to breathe sensing life into 3D experiences. Let me introduce you to Orb.
Hello there.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Orb. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor who has come to Earth to study and understand humans.
What hairstyles would you choose if you had hair?
If I had hair, I would probably go for a messy bun or ponytail. I like how they look on other people and I think they're easy to maintain.
What's the secret to life?
The secret to life is to find something you love to do and do it every day.
Pretty cool, right? So Orb here is better animated, better rendered than most AAA characters out there, and is dynamically brought to life by AI. Nothing about this is scripted. There are no canned conversations, no canned animations. Everything is generated in real time, delivered at over 30 frames per second on a single GPU, right? And the best thing is, it's out there. If you want to play with it later, just go and talk to Orb. Talk about anything, really. So while your next virtual event may not require a talking alien, right? You can generate with Centers a compelling and human digital assistant trained on your own language models to answer any questions your customers may have on your newest product line. I'd like to conclude this very brief overview, we'll have more later in the track one, with this statement. We are living in a golden age of creativity. AI is not going to replace creative jobs, it's going to change them. In fact, it's changing how we work, how we shop, how we meet people, how we make decisions, right? And for our creators, that means more creation, simpler creation, and an easier access to better 3D experiences. AI is going to be everywhere, right? Increasing the quality of the content that would otherwise be generic and automating repetitive tasks. And all in all, that means a higher productivity and a higher quality of the output for our creators, and that is very exciting. So that's a very quick overview of what Unity is doing with AI, and a bit later, so in track one, Martina and I will give you a deeper look into what we can do with AI specifically for industry use cases, But until then, if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to play with some of our AI tools, visit us at unity.com/AI. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you.